Good news, guys. Grok AI is back. I just discovered that Grok AI has released their latest model, Grok Imagine 2.0. I want to show you how you can access this to generate unlimited images and also videos. You need to follow the exact step I'll be showing you in this video so you'll be able to create your videos and your images. It's for a limited time, so you need to jump on it right now that is still very new and create. So guys, without much ado, let's go.
Okay, so first we are going to create our email using this platform. Once you are here, you can see this is a fresh space and this is the official space. And we are going to create using 0 credit. So go ahead and sign up. Please follow this step by step, because if you miss any step, you come back and say it's not working. The email you created must end with this, okay, .com. Every email must end with that. Then you are going to see many options. So sign up with your email, input the email there, then head back to the platform and get the code. That is, go back to the inbox, copy this code and paste here, and then input your name, your last name, password. Choose a very strong password so that it can turn green. Once it turns green, then you are good to go. Until it turns green, don't stop. Okay, now once it turns green, go ahead and confirm that you are human and sign up to the platform. The moment you sign up, we're going to redirect you into this interface. You can see it's a fresh password, it's a fresh space, and you can literally see I'm going to click on that imagine. Once you click on the image, I want to see this selecting this image 2.0. It is a new feature Grok introduced, so try it now. Once you click that try it now, you want to see we have image and video, we have sound 20p, but don't select that sound 20p first. Let's start with image generation. I'm going to give a very simple prompt, okay, very simple, not complex. But first, let's take a look at this prompt that I gave. Very simple, right? I'm going to leave it at that place. Okay, the aspect ratio, select it, and of course if you try to use the agent feature, you will definitely pay. So just follow this step by step and then hit generate. You're going to see the amazing high quality images that this platform created. In no time, the result is here, and you can see it gives us in two variation. Now, there's something unique about this particular platform, this particular feature now. If you click this image, every detail on this particular image are editable. That is, you can edit everything, including the hair, the clothes, and the necklace, like everything that she's wearing right now. You can see that. Now, the down part about this platform is that it allows limited image generation, up to 7 image generation, and it also allows only 1 video generation per email. You know what that means? It means that if you want to, now at this point you can decide to delete anything from here, whether from the panel, from the segment side, or from the panel. But if you want to edit again for the second time, it will require you upgrade to pro version. What that means is that it allows you to generate just 7 images, and you can only implement one edit in one picture. That's per email. And for you to create a video, it allows just 1 video generation. I'm going to implement that for you to see. For videos, you need to have multiple, you know what to do, right? You know what to do to keep generating for free on this platform while it is still new. So head back to the platform, get your email, right? And then sign out and log in, and then boom, and keep using this. This is how you use this. Okay, so let's make this, let's generate video from here. Right now, I'm going to give a simple prompt. If you select 720p, it will require that you upgrade. If you select up to 10 seconds, it will require that you upgrade, right? So for me, I want to leave it at the 6 seconds and 480p. So you can generate video. You see, video is generating, and if you try to generate video again, you'll be required to upgrade. That means it's just 1 video per creation. Now let me use another account to see if I can generate. I'm lucky you can generate more videos, because image to video generation differs per email. Okay, so try it out and let me know how many videos you're able to create using this platform and how many images you're able to create using this platform per email. All right, so follow the same pattern, log in again, and then let's see if I can create a video. And when I log in, I gave, this time around, I gave a complex prompt, a dialogue scene, and then this is the output. You can see how the image came out very clean and so realistic, and the perfect lip sync. So I had to quickly put this out for you to see and start using it right away. This second one, I literally used my own email to log in, and I was able to access it still with no credit. So it is still new and it's still in their testing phase. So try it out and then let me know what you think about this also in the comment section of this video.
So if you've watched this time, hit the like button, subscribe. And when new platforms and new tools like this comes out, you'll be the first to know. And guys, until then, see you in the next one.